Okay, now this is one of the important topic, calculation of number of particles present per unit cell in a lattice. I mean, when the solid form lattice, this is one cube, I mean this is one unit cell, one example of unit cell. When number of cubes are joined, then it is said to be a lattice, and every solid produce the lattice. Now, how many particles you will get in one unit cell in case of lattice, that is called calculation of number of particles present per unit cell in a lattice. So number one, I'll do for simple cubic, I mean for primitive unit cell. If your unit cell is simple or primitive, then the particles are present only at the corners, no other position contain the particles, then it is called simple. Now you know, in a cube, how many corners? There are 8 corners, I mean 8 corners contain 8 particles like this. These are the 8 particles present in the corners. So you should get 8 particles, but when it produces the lattice, you don't get 8 particles per unit cell. I mean one unit cell do not contain the 8 particles. Why? Because as you know, this is one unit cell. When you consider lattice, number of cubes will join. For example, suppose this is a face of a cube. Just I draw one face, and these are the 4 corners of the cube. See, when the particles are present, the particles are present like this. They are joined with each other. These are the corner particles. They are present like this. Have you got it? Actually, they are present like this. All are joined with each other. Now, this is a cube. This is a cube face, and 4 corners contain 4 particles. When you consider lattice, then number of cubes will join. Na? This is another cube. This is another cube. This is another cube. I mean that these are cube faces. That means one particle is shared by how many cubes? One particle is shared by, here you have seen 4 cubes. I mean this particle is shared by 4 unit cell. See, when you consider lattice, lattice means it's a 3-dimensional arrangement. So here I have drawn the 2D structure. In 2D you have seen 4 your cubes. But when you place another cube layer above this, I mean one particle, I mean one corner particle is shared by how many unit cell? Here you have seen 4. If you place another layer of cube, then another 4 cube will touch this particle. I mean one corner particle is shared by 8 cubes. I mean one corner particle is shared by 8 unit cell. So how much portion of the particle get by one unit cell? It will get only 1 by 8 part of the particle. Have you got it? Because one corner particle is shared by 8 cubes. That is why one cube will get 1 by 8 part of the particle. Is it clear to you? So this is one of the unit cell. Unit cell contain 8 corners. 8 corner contain 8 particle. But this corner particle is shared by other cube also. How many cubes share this corner particle? There are 8 cubes in case of lattice. 8 cubes share this corner particle. So since 8 unit cell shares this corner particle, so one cube will get 1 by 8 part of that particle. So that is why, although the corner contain one particle, but one unit cell do not get completely one particle from one corner. It will get only 1 by 8 part, because the corner particle is shared by 8 cubes. So this is for one corner. Since there are 8 corners, from every corner you will get 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 like that from the particle. So that is why, how many corners? 8 corners. So from every corner you will get 1 by 8 part. Ultimately you will get how many particle? You will get only 1 particle per unit cell. I mean when it produces the lattice, and if it is simple cubic lattice, then one unit cell contain only 1 particle. Because although there are 8 corners, although there are 8 particles present in 8 corners, but one unit cell do not get the complete particle from the corners. It will get only 1 by 8 part from one particle. Since there are 8 corners, so from 8 corners you will get 1 by 8 part, 1 by 8 part like that. So that is why total number of particles you will get only 1. So that is why for simple cubic you will get contribution from 8 corners is equal 8 into 8, 8 into 1 by 8 is equal 1. Therefore, in simple cubic lattice, one unit cell contain one particle. I mean, number of particle per unit cell in case of simple cubic lattice is only 1. So this is for simple cubic. So a cube contain 8 corners. There are 8 particles may be present in 8 corners, but one unit cell do not get the 8 particle. It will get only 1 particle from the corners. Number 2, for face centered cubic. If the unit cell is face centered, then particles are present at the corners and at the center of each faces. This is face, these are face, this is your back side face, this is your front side face, this is your front side face particle. I mean, there are 6 faces, you will get 6 particle. So now, when it produces the lattice, contribution of 8 corners, you will get 8 into 1 by 8 equal 1, because from corner particle you will get 1 by 8, but since there are 8 corners, that is why you will get 8 into 1 by 8, only 1 particle from the corner. And contribution of 6 faces, since faces also contain particle, as you know there are 6 faces now, all the faces contain one particle at the center of face. One face particle, when you consider the lattice, one face particle is shared by 2 unit cell. I mean, one face particle is shared by 2 cubes, because when you place another cube above it, this particle is shared by this cube also, the upper cube also. So one particle is shared by 2 cubes. That is why one cube get half of the particle. So that is why contribution of 6 faces. From this face you will get half. From this faces you will get half of the particle. From this face you will get half of the particle. From this face also you will get half of the particle. Since there are 6 faces, from all faces you will get half of the particle. I mean, you will get 3 particles. So total number of particles per unit cell, I mean in one unit cell, in FCC lattice, face centered cubic lattice, equal face centered lattice is equal 1 plus 3 is equal 4. So that is why in lattice, if it is face centered lattice, the number of particles in one unit cell you will get only 4. See, 8 corners contain 8 particle, 6 faces contain 6 particle, so you should get 14 particles, but you don't get 14 particles when you produce the lattice. You will get only 4 particles, because from corner you will get only 1 particle, and from faces you will get only 3 particle. I mean, total number of particle you will get only 4, because the particles are shared by other unit cell also. So if it is simple cubic lattice, you will get only 1 particle per unit cell. If it is face centered cubic, then you will get 4 particles per unit cell. And these positions where the particles are present, these are called lattice point. So in a face centered cubic unit cell or in a face centered lattice, you will get 14 lattice point. Lattice point means the position of the particle. So lattice point and the number of particle both are different. You will get less number of particle, but the positions are called lattice point. Since there are 14 positions, so number of lattice point in FCC will be 14. In case of simple cubic, the particles are present only at the corners. There are 8 corners, that's why number of lattice point will be 8, like that. Now, number 3, for body centered cubic or for body centered lattice. You know, contribution of 8 corners is equal 8 into 1 by 8 equal 1. You know, when it is said to be body centered, when the particles are present at the corners and center of the cube contain 1 particle. Center of the cube means it is present inside the cube. Since it is present inside the cube, that's why no other cube can touch this particle, because it is present inside the body, and that's why it is called body center particle. And that is why contribution of body particle, you will get totally 1, because this particle cannot shared by other unit cell. Therefore, total number of particles per unit cell in body centered lattice equal 2. So for simple cubic you will get 1 particle, for face centered cubic you will get 4 particle, and for body centered cubic you will get 2 particles. Now another one for n centered cubic. This is number 4. When it is said to be n-centered cubic, when the particles are present at the corners and 2 alternate faces contain 2 particles like this. So from corners, contribution of 8 corners, you will get 8 into 8, 8 into 1 by 8, you will get 1 particle, and contribution of 2 alternate faces, you know, from one faces you will get half. There are 2 faces which contain the particle, so 2 into half you will get 1. So therefore total number of particles per unit cell in n-centered lattice is equal 1 plus 1 is equal 2. So this is the process how to find out the number of particles per unit cell in case of lattice. Thank you.